Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one involves some clay and an old canvas piece. You can of course buy a new canvas if you want to recreate this yourself. But she's basically just draping this over the canvas, that piece of clay. And if you wanted to, you could actually spray paint this, but she kind of uses it as like a way to like store your knickknacks. I think that's really cool. And then we have another art idea. So she wrapped the clay around the frame and created the frame using the clay. Wow, she is really talented. Now, obviously this creator knows how to work really well with clay, and she's an artist. Look at this art piece. This is just remarkable. Wow, it's like hauntingly beautiful. I love it. So cool. How to make a record earring holder. Okay, I didn't even know this was a thing, but let's check it out. This is like one of those pieces too where it like doubles as like artwork and also it's functional, which is pretty cool. Oh, this is an easy project. You're basically just using the knife to cut the two holes and it's an earring holder. I don't know why I was thinking it was going to be more involved with it. It's a cool, easy, simple project to do. And then we have another project featuring some vinyl. So apparently this is like a huge trend on TikTok. I didn't even know, but there were several different videos featuring vinyls. There were like shelves and just all kinds of stuff. So this person is making a bowl. Now you can leave this bowl how it is and like let the exposed piece for the record show, or you can spray paint it, which I think looks really cool. But you pretty much want to heat it up and then you can mold it as you desire. So here's another project idea. They melted theirs by putting it in the oven. You can also use a heat gun. Wow, that looks so cool. And it looks like they're just creating the shape by bending it within another bowl. I think the oven technique actually looks a little bit easier. So here's another look at that record earring holder. Let me know if you would try any of these projects with the records. Like I said, there are some with like shelves, and it's a huge decorative trend on TikTok, so who knew? Also, if you guys haven't done so already, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more interesting DIYs and my reactions. All right, so I thought this next DIY was really cool. So it involves a rug. And she's pretty much going to be making a headboard. So I never would have thought that like taking a rug and like some wood pieces, you can make your own headboard, but that's actually a brilliant idea. Very, very cool. Oh, look at this ring holder. Now this is definitely a fun piece to recreate. Oh man, I love it. I like how she did like the nail polish on there too, and then added like the star. Like that is so freaking cute. Cutest star and ring holder I've ever seen, if I had to say so myself, or if I do say so myself. Alright, we got another DIY featuring some clay. It's like they're making another bowl. Oh, they're doing like a checker pattern. Okay, that's cute. I love the pop of green. Very fun. And they used it as a nice holder. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.